With this video, we're going to be looking at how to actually print, slice and print. So the Bambu Lab is a slicer. One of the first things that you'll learn is this is our build plate. This matches the build plate in our 3D printer. What we're going to do is add our piece to it. So make sure that this says Bambu Lab P1S, which it should, and this should say texture. Hopefully it's there as well. You should probably not have a sync info because you're not online. This option right here is to add objects. So we're going to press this button and you should have your game piece, whatever you exported it as, and press open. Now when you click and move, it just drags it all over the place. Each of these has its own options. Right now we don't need to worry about it. In this second piece we have our filaments. I want you to make sure that you have 4 filaments. Now before you do anything, you're going to go to the back of the room and decide which 3D printer you want to use. Make sure it has the color you want it to be, and then you're going to write down what it is. So let's say that the first one that I have is yellow. Change it to yellow. My second one was red. The third one was orange. And my fourth one was black. And then check with Mr. Nelson, are these all Bambu PLA Basic, or were they ABS? Computers or printers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all have PLA Basic. Number 6 is all ABS. And it doesn't matter which one you choose, it just has to match. Alright, now let's say my idea was I wanted it in orange. So I would right click on my part, change filament to orange. So now I have an orange game piece. We're going to spend more time talking about what are some things we need. Some of you might have to check with me if you have a very fancy design. You might need something called support. If I click on support, I can enable it, and I'll show you what it looks like in a minute. But right now I'm going to take it off. So here's all this, some different options, and right up top we have slice plate. So that creates the G code, which is the code needed to actually 3D print, and you get like a print preview. So this is what it would look like. I'm going to go back to prepare, enable supports, and slice plate, and see here it's going to add some stability to it. So this is going to take 24 minutes and 56 seconds. The other one was going to take 22 minutes. So I'm going to leave these supports on for only a couple minutes and it should come out looking really nice. Alright, now you're going to export plate sliced file. Make sure that you have a flash drive plugged in. And I don't, so I'm going to try and plug one in right now. And then you click this option, and then yours is almost always going to be like in your downloads. Scroll down until you see your flash drive, and then whatever you named it, put your name at the beginning and save. Then you can see this option to eject right from here. So it's ejected, we can remove it from our computer, and you can go to the back and I can show you how to print.